Hi guys, today I'd like to talk about crypto more and what I want to implement with blockchain technologies together with real estate. Well, uh, it is very interesting because cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain technologies altogether, they are having one thing in common, which is creating value for people, as long as the same people, they having enough faith into that particular asset or technology. And for me, it's very interesting because yes, lots of people these days, they give power from one direction to another, and when we having values in the markets, and yes, we buying and selling something, it pretty much derives from the same beliefs that we are creating with whatever you want to have it with currencies, fiat currencies, I mean, with properties, with goodwill, furniture, like you name it, all the things in the world that has been created, people gave a certain value and most importantly, a price for it. So when we understand this reality, we reflecting on new things, which in this case, it is with crypto and blockchain technologies, because as long as people they are given enough value and power towards them, then there's gonna be a market for it. And market means opportunities. Okay, so when we understanding this perspective already, then we have to ask ourselves, what we can do with these wonderful technologies and values that people have created already for us, and what we can do for the future, obviously. And real estate is one of those industries that are a bit tricky because of not liquid market to have. Okay, and because of that, it is challenging to sell, right? When you want to buy or sell a house, there are certain complications people they create, for regulations, for safety, all those things. But the reality is that, like, you do need to have lots of business skills. Know how to negotiate. You do need to have timing on your side, and most importantly, a little bit of luck in order to turn that deal into something profitable from the same beliefs that you have, if you have a property or you have in mind to buy a property. One way or another, it is working for you or against you. And we already touched this several times before, that yes, everything that exists, well, they are tools, assets or liabilities, and yes, you cannot distinguish what is what until yes you give the meaning to it, and yes, markets are reflecting on those beliefs in the end of the day. But why, from my observation, there's lots of opportunities with crypto, with real estate, is simply because yes, on one side we got lots of like illiquid value stored into properties, like trillions of dollars, right? But on the other side, those equities, they are locked and cannot be realized because of yes, this like lack of liquidation. No liquidation. Sorry, liquidity. Liquidation is a other thing. Obviously, lack of liquidity, and yes, the issues to have enough opportunity to sell, right? And from what I'm seeing is that crypto markets, they're gonna create technologies, markets, so that people can have finally that liquidity that was needed for people to have more, yes, stability and ideas of what they have. Because once again, the market is dictating how much you own, and your opinion sometimes, well, it's not gonna align with the reality that market is has to offer. So when we understanding that, then clearly we have to like understand what these technologies can do for us. And yes, you can say, okay, that this guy who has a property, yes, he can like make money out of it, and that's fantastic, but what it has to do with me, and yes, the market overall. And I tell you what, this is the most important part, is because crypto markets overall, they are creating new forms of capital. They are creating new money pretty much for new customers, investors, and the beauty of it that everyone can be participant. Why? It's because it is more accessible than ever. You can be qualified as being an investor if you have, I don't know, like 10 pounds in your pocket, something like that. Like, it doesn't really matter, as long as yes, you can participate and yes, contribute somehow with great ideas and projects that yes, other people have to offer, right? So when you see these perspectives, that yes, crypto is creating new forms of capital, and it helps people to to create new opportunities in the markets. And why am I saying that it creates new opportunities in the markets? Is because the old markets, unfortunately, they completely ruined the whole idea of this wonderful financial machine that it was United States, that like capitalism it was built on. Because when everything is so tight regulated and people don't have enough room to breathe, and they don't have to have any error to make, because well, they'll be wiped out. That means we cannot longer rely on this financial structure anymore, on those financial markets anymore, because they are mostly for rich. And it's completely fine that they are for rich. When we understand how it works, like what kind of like regulations they have, it is not an issue to understand their point of view, because well, for you it will be very risky to be involved in those things, and they cost them lots of money. That's why they are for rich. But ironically, because of this logic, they are preventing people to be a participant there in the first place, so that you cannot be a part of it, of course, and you cannot have your opportunity or gain out of those realities, because well, they are obviously only for very selective circle of people. And the reason why I'm saying is that it's not that you're gonna judge or complain about this. After watching many of my videos, I hope you already realize that it's completely pointless. Okay, absolutely pointless to do so. We just need to have like understanding and clarity. Why is that? And when that happens, yes, we can come up with interesting new directions and solutions, which I am explaining right now. And yes, crypto, it is a very new way to see the world, to see that the markets and everything that is offering right now. I know it is very, very questionable. No, there's no doubts about it, and you have all the rights to do so, because there are lots of scams and bad people who are already misusing those technologies for exactly the same reasons as as people in the past. They were like doing wrong things just to profit out of it. Again, these things unfortunately they're not gonna change ever, and you have to deal with that, because there's always gonna be someone who try to exploit the system. They try to break the rules, take advantage of others. Honestly, I don't have a solution for that, because I'm not a doctor to fix people, but what I'm certainly can do is to guide some people who can use the brain a little, and understanding the realities of the world, with the good and the bad, and then you can make your own judgment. If it's true or not of what you see, because many times you just see reflections of other people and their opinions, but it does not mean that it's true for you. And that's exactly the same with crypto. It is quite new and innovative technologies that they're gonna help a lot, and they're gonna harm a lot of people because of the natural tendencies of how people are using them. It's just like a tool. Bitcoin is just a tool. Ethereum is just a tool. And yes, US dollar, pound from the UK, euro, they all just tools. Nothing else. But no matter what I'm gonna say, people they're gonna use their own logic, which many times goes against them. That's the ironic part. Because there's not that much value for you if all those things that you are saying, they are going against you. So please understand that when you're making your own judgments and conclusions out of everything, because you're gonna be the first of the victims out of these ideologies behind that you believe in. But that being said, where should I go? Just 1 minute, guys, because there are lots of people here. Yes, there is a little bit of the vlog too, but it's fine. Right, that's exactly how you have to see crypto and all those things that I or other people have to tell you. If it does align with your beliefs and that those things that you want to see in the world, then you can support me and believe in what I have to say, or not, or you can completely disagree and do whatever you want with your life, and that's completely fine. It cannot be any other way, right? It just I hope that by giving you this idea of what I have to say, you are open up more towards what is possible, and that's pretty much what is crypto about. It is an opportunity, it is a possibility, and nothing is guaranteed, as always. And whoever guarantees you 100% something, then you have to ask yourself how much it is true of what those people are saying with those claims, and that kind of success rate. But crypto does create new opportunity with real estate that I believe, and soon enough there's gonna be lots of new capital created for them, which you can also be part of. Like big investors are investing lots of money in order, of course, to protect their wealth, to make more money, stuff like that. You can also have your chance by have some allocation towards investing into this new category that provides you with new ideas and new possibilities. And I'm not gonna talk about much with this regard, because the video is already too long. But yes, always have mind open towards those possibilities that it can provide to you, because it is sort of like an internet, like in early 2000s, when everything just started. You can be part of it, and it's not gonna cost you that much to be a participant. So for me, I am very excited, because yes, people they're gonna have those chances that they under normal circumstances they couldn't have, because of the entry barrier. But now, yes, more things are possible, and yes, technologies, they are encouraging us to explore, to understand what are the future values are. And like I said, yes, crypto is gonna create new flows of capital, new injections of money that people create out of nothing. And I strongly advise you guys to have a look more of what it's all about. Yes, to make your own due diligence, because it's gonna be a huge part of our life. And yes, everything is going digital. Like you don't have to believe me that much of what I'm saying. Just look around, and what government is implementing in our lives. Everything it is going digital, and yes, it is in a way convenient to go to that direction. But like whether it's gonna help you live a digital life or not, then well, you have to see for yourself, because it's certainly not gonna work for everyone. And again, the future is gonna be far more complex than now because of these tendencies. So when you understanding this from reality stay, then yes, it's easier to make your own conclusions. But yes, I'm gonna touch more of this from now on, and it's gonna be more interesting to see those ideas and options that I have to offer. That being said, yes, that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Stay tuned. Bye.